In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate page in Canva Resize and change dimensions. Rotating a page in Canva isn't a traditional spin of the canvas. Instead, you change the orientation by swapping the width and height. This is quick, precise, and keeps your design aligned with common sizes like portrait and landscape. First, open the design you want to rotate. Make sure you are inside the editor with your page visible. Up at the top of the editor, find Magic Switch. In some older versions of Canva, this button is labeled Resize. Click it to open the resizing panel. This is where you'll control the new dimensions for your design. Next, choose Custom Size. This option lets you enter the exact dimensions you need rather than picking a preset. To rotate the page, simply swap the numbers for width and height. For example, if your current design is 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is portrait, change it to 1920 by 1080 pixels to make it landscape. Swapping those values flips the orientation while keeping the size consistent. Just turn sideways. When you are ready, click Continue. Canva will ask whether you want to resize this design or copy and resize. Resize will change your current file to the new orientation, which is great if you are finished with the original layout. Copy and resize creates a new rotated version and preserves your original, which is helpful if you want both orientations or you are testing different layouts. As Canva applies the change, it intelligently rearranges content to fit the new proportions as best as possible. Because portrait and landscape have different aspect ratios, some elements may appear in new positions or with extra space around them. That's normal and simply reflects the new canvas shape. The important part is that your page is now rotated by resizing, and your assets stay with the design. A quick note on why this works. In Canva, orientation is defined by dimensions. By swapping width and height, you are telling Canva to rebuild the canvas sideways. This maintains pixel count and prevents distortion, so photos and text remain crisp. Only the layout proportions change. If you are swapping back later, repeat the same process by reversing the numbers again. And remember, you can always use undo if you want to go back a step while you experiment. That's all it takes to rotate a page in Canva by resizing and changing dimensions. Thanks for watching.